Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we have discussed about band pass random process, band limited random process, narrow band random process. Now here we are going to discuss about some important properties of band limited random process. Consider any band limited wide sense stationary real random process n of t or x of t with zero mean and power density spectrum that satisfy the condition Sn of omega is not equal to 0 if 0 less than omega naught minus omega 1 less than magnitude of omega less than omega naught minus omega 1 plus omega and Sn of omega is equal to 0 otherwise, where omega 1 and omega 2 are real positive constants. The random process n of t or x of t represented by right side of this expression. Okay, the random process n of t or x of t is a random process, that is wide sense stationary random process. Uh, it satisfies some important properties. Uh, that random process is represented by n of t is equal to x of t cos omega naught t minus y of t sin omega naught t. Some important properties of x of t and y of t are: first property is, if n of t is wide sense stationary, then x of t and y of t are jointly wide sense stationary. And second property is, if n of t has 0 mean, that is expectation of n of t is equal to 0, then expectation of x of t is equal to 0 and expectation of y of t is equal to 0. So x of t and y of t have 0 mean. Next third property is, x of t and y of t have same powers, same powers. So that same powers mean that expression is expectation of x square of t is equal expectation of y square of t is equal expectation of n square of t. So the mean square value of the random process are equal to Rxx of 0. So that is expectation of n square of t is equal to expectation of x square of t is equal expectation of y square of t. Next property is, x of t and y of t have same autocorrelation and power spectrum, that is Ryy of tau is equal Rxx of tau and Syy of omega is equal Sxx of omega. Next property, fifth property, random variables defined for the random process x of t and y of t are orthogonal, that is Rxy of tau is equal to 0, R and Ryx of Rxy of tau is equal to 0 and Rxy of y is equal to 0, Ryx of 0 is equal to 0. And next property, the cross correlation function of the random process x of t and y of t are given by Ryx of tau is equal minus Ryx of tau. If the process are orthogonal, then Ryx of tau is equal to 0 and Rxy of tau is equal to 0. And next property, the cross power spectrums are Sxy of omega is equal to minus Syx of omega. So this is already proved in my previous videos, properties of the cross power spectral density concept. Next property is, if n of t is a Gaussian random process, then the random process x of t and y of t are jointly Gaussian. So these are some important properties of band limited random process.